Hi, I'm Jack Shannon, President of Visual South. Let's talk about why using Excel for material planning is doomed to fail. I sound pretty confident it's going to fail, don't I? That's because I am. I've seen it happen many times. Now, I do understand the appeal of using a spreadsheet for material planning. You want to manage your materials better. That involves math. And everyone knows and loves spreadsheets. It's a perfect fit. But it's not a perfect fit. In this blog, I go over how that spreadsheet is a lot more complicated, way more complicated than what you might initially think. I give you examples. What happens is it becomes so complicated, it just collapses under its own weight. Read the blog and understand.